What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. We got some stuff forming up here inside Shiba Inu, and we have some new predictions with Shiba Inu. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marcellus for 25% off. Now, let's go straight over Shiba Inu here. So as you can see here, the 24-hour market control is still in control by the bulls by 60% here. So that is definitely not exactly what people want to hear, but we have good stuff going on in Shiba Inu that's going to cause it to rise over time. Anyways, over here, you can see, even though that we had a slight downtrend here, it still shows that it was oversold. That was a lot of selling that happened there for literally no reason. We were starting to go back on here, like up on an uptrend. And I did mention in my previous video that we were probably going to enter a bull trap. Pretty much, the bears are going to sell out once, the bulls start to rush up. And that's pretty much what happened. We started to go all the way up. And I was like, it kind of looks a little bit overbought too, because over here I have these vital algo indicators. It was showing that we were a little bit overbought here. So after we got overbought, I just kind of figured we would probably enter into a little bit of a bear trap. Remember, when I say, oh, this is a short term bear trap. But anyways, we were oversold there, and now we're seeming a little bit bullish here with Shiba Inu. So we might actually have potential to break out of here. Now, remember, these green areas here are pretty much our supply and demand, showing lots of demand for Shiba Inu, and the red areas are showing less demand for Shiba Inu. So it looks here that we're actually breaking out of the green area, going all the way up here. So we may actually end up trying to trend right back up to the 6,400 area. And it's actually been pretty stagnant all day. Shiba Inu hasn't really been doing big moves today. It's been trading sideways almost the whole day. So that's definitely a good sign of consolidation there. So let's go over our technical analysis. So Shiba Inu edges closer to 200% breakout as she prepares to eat another zero. So that's pretty much what the analysts are saying here. So they say Shiba Inu price rallied 32% as it bounced off the flag's lower trend line. So hinting at a breakout, a decisive daily close above the 0.0000649 area will confirm the start of a 220% ascent to the 197 area. 3 zeros, 197. We're going to knock out one of these zeros, pretty much what they're saying here. So if Shib produces a convincing close below the 0.0000479, it will invalidate the bullish thesis. So if we go below 479, they're pretty much saying we're going to go into a bearish momentum. So let's continue to go down here. So over here, you can see Shiba Inu price is transversing. It's like a continuation pattern that pretty much suggests a breakout is near. However, breaking free from the setup forecast and massive upswing that could more than triple the market value of Shib. Therefore, investors need to keep a close eye on Shib pretty much. So Shiba Inu price prepares a frontal assault, they're saying. So Shiba Inu price is transversing a continuation pattern known as a bull flag. So Shib set up a new high on October 28th at the 0.00885 area after rallying 220% in roughly 6 days. So this move constitutes a flagpole, and what is followed is the consolidation that I was just now talking about previously in the form of lower highs and lower lows, which resulted in the formation of a flag. So the technical formation forecasts a 220% ascent determined by adding the flagpole's height to the breakout point to reveal the target at 0.00197. However, a breakout will occur if Shiba Inu produces a daily close above the 649 area. Right now, we're at the 5894 areas, so we got to get above 649 pretty much in order to get this 220% rise. So we were above that, but that's pretty much when we topped out here, and the red area is showing less demand there. So it's going to be hard for us to get up there. But if we can, if somehow we can, if we get listed on Kraken, if we get listed on Robinhood, if we get some other big listing, if something just big happens in the social media space for Shiba Inu, we're trending on Twitter, but we need more than a trend on Twitter. I mean, we have New York now about to start to actually invest inside of Shiba Inu. So there's a lot going on here, and we just need to continue to push Shiba Inu pretty much in order for Shiba Inu to rise above the odds. So over here, the technical formation forecasts a 220% ascent pretty much, and then the 649 area is what we need to pass. So anyways, while the ascent is straightforward, market participants should expect Shiba Inu price to slow down around 0.00123, which is the bullish target from the bullish pennant pattern that broke out on October 2020. Or yeah, October 20th, I mean. So anyways, let's click over here and look at what they're talking about here. So over here is pretty much where they're saying that we have the 7814 area for resistance. And then after we break that, well, first the 6494, but then the major resistance at 7814. And then that's really going to tell whether or not we're going to, have a huge rise pretty much all the way up here till 1236 and then eventually 1975. Now that would bring the market cap very, very high with Shiba Inu, which is pretty much why they're saying that when we do rise 220%, it'll be short-lived. Pretty much when we do that huge rally, it's gonna end up dropping like right after, just kind of like how we did when we went all the way up to the 7-8 area. It hit that and immediately went down. They're pretty much saying the same thing would probably happen. We'll probably end up taking a huge dip right after that. So you gotta think about that and you gotta prepare for it, because that's the same thing that happened with Dogecoin. Dogecoin hit almost like 90 billion market cap. When it hit 90 billion, it just took a huge nosedive down, like all the way down. Anyways, while the ascent is straightforward, market participants should expect Shiba Inu price to slow down to 0.00123, which is the bullish target, pretty much what they're saying. So on the other hand, they always got to talk about the bearish scenario. So if we do go bearish, if Shiba Inu price retests the 0.000479 area, it will create a makeshift double bottom pattern that will allow the bulls to give the uptrend another go. So pretty much they're saying, like, look, if we take a hard dip from here, then we're pretty much going to have a huge rise in price action. So if Shiba Inu's price dips really hard, like to 479, we're gonna more than likely have a lot of bulls being like, wait, this is a buying opportunity. And then the bulls take their money pretty much and throw their money in right at the bottom, causing it to skyrocket. So right now, that's why I'm talking about the supply and demand areas. Because as you can see, there is demand. There's lots of demand for Shiba Inu around the 4 area. So when it actually hits around that 440 area, somewhere around there, then that's when a lot of people will start dumping their money into Shib. The same thing kind of goes around for 54, but you can see is that the green is way darker over here. So it shows that there's way more demand for Shib way back there. So we got to wait for that. However, if the buyers fail to defend this barrier, it will invalidate the bullish thesis and eventually lead us to 328 or 446, pretty much what they're saying. So anyways, moving on to the next thing, Shiba Inu price is still inside consolidation. So everyone pretty much has this same technical analysis, which pretty much shows that it's a pretty good technical analysis. So Sheepcoin price bulls are ready to push the price to a new all-time high. They're pretty much talking about the same thing everyone else is talking about. So hopefully we can do this, because if we can, this is going to definitely set Shib apart from everyone else. So major resistance right now at 75.0000075. And then major support at the 0.0005. So that's pretty much what we're seeing here. They put an extra 0 on here by accident. But yeah, 4 zeros and a 5 is our major support level. So big stuff going on there with Shiba Inu. Anyways, Shiba Inu is only down 4.7% in the last 24 hours. Not too bad. Down 11% in the last 7 days. Also not too bad. So we definitely have a lot of potential here with Shiba Inu. We just got to have some faith. So we're almost at 1 million holders as well. This is really big right here. This is huge. Like this is almost Dogecoin type holders right here. So 920,768 people in Shib. Yesterday we had only 918,298. So about 2,000 people overnight. But yeah, 920,768. Hit that refresh button. 920,861. So yeah, we got about 100 something people just now invested in the Shib. So that's a lot of people right there. Anyways, this is all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to come here and show you all this and show you exactly what we have going on with Shiba Inu. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. But yeah, definitely hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link. It'll be definitely appreciated, really appreciated. And also, if you want these vital algo indicators, definitely check out the vital algo link inside the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.